All right, guys. So when you go to tinkercad, create new design, we can leave the grid the way it is. Okay, it's definitely big enough for this mug we're going to design. And we need to break the mug down into shapes. And we're definitely going to need a cylinder for the main body of the mug. And we could use the cylinder again for the handle. Okay. Or we can make a round handle here. Or we could use this one here. But I'm just going to leave it the way it is, right? With these shapes. Now, I think what we'll do also is we'll do the cutout, all right, for the drink last. We'll do that bit last, okay? So first of all, let's size this mug up. Okay, so mugs are generally, they come in all different shapes and sizes, but they're generally about 90. Okay, yeah. 90 by 90. Okay. There we go. Looks different to the last time I did this because my grid is much smaller this time. Okay, 90 by 90 and about 100 mil high. Okay. Well, if you're off there a bit, that doesn't matter. So yeah, there we go. Remember, our grid is smaller this time. Okay, I'm going to change the sides here to make it smoother. It's now a nice smooth mug. Now, the handle, we'll do that now. Okay, is about 55 by 55. Okay, I just had a quick measurement there of a mug. Something like that there. And we know that there's a hole in it. So we'll use a cylinder again. Okay, and we'll make the cylinder, it's not 10 mil thick, let's see, we'll go 48 by 48, say. And we'll place that inside our cylinder now. But I'm going to go into top view, and I'm going to zoom in, move it up here a little bit. Remember, it's always easier to work on a laptop or computer. I'm going to switch to orthographic view, which is not the real world view. Okay, but it's good for this though. So I'm going to leave it like that. And yeah, I'm going to change these shapes to make them smoother. I'm changing this cylinder shape to make it smoother too. And yeah, actually, I'm going to group them now. I'm going to group my handle like this. Okay, because now when it's grouped, I can change its shape a little bit, okay? Because mug handles aren't always round. Gonna go with something like that. Okay, so I like the look of this here as a handle. And then I'm going to change its orientation around. Oh, it's a bit high, a bit wide. Go with about 10 mil. And now I am going to stand it up like that. And I'm going to drag the black cone up. That. Wrong way. And I'm going to try to attach it on. Looks good there. What does it look like from a different view? I don't know. Let's see, oh, we're miles out. Look at that. Okay, so we're getting there now. I'm going to go around the top. Yeah, so we can see top view. Okay, so I'm going to show you a little something now to try to align them a little bit better, because what we have here is two shapes. Okay, we got the cylinder and the handle. Now I'm going to highlight the two of them by dragging over them, and I'm going to go up here to align. Okay, and I want to align them on the center here like this. So I'm going to click here. Now they are aligned centrally. See, an orthographic view made it look a lot better than real life view. So centrally, there they are, perfectly aligned in the middle. And then I'm going to drag it in a little bit like that. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'd be happy with that. Now, what we also want to do is we want to add on some text, hopefully. So hopefully you get this far. You might find other ways of doing some text. So I'm going to do it now. So I'm just going to write that in here. You can write what you like. Why is that backwards? Let's see now. Okay. That's better. I was working backwards. Okay, so we want to stand it up. So where's my arrows over here? Try grab it. There we go. 90. Like that. I'm going to grab my cone. I'm going to bring it up. Okay, and I want to drag it straight into my mug. Okay, something like that there. Okay, so if I drag it in anymore, we're going to lose the A. So I need to make it a little bit thicker or wider, like that. So it's now looks like it's part of the mug, perfectly formed around it like that. Okay, so I'm happy enough with that. What I'm going to do now is in the top of my shape. Actually, I'm going to merge all this now. All right, in case I accidentally move something. Merge it, I mean group. So it's all grouped together. See, it's all changed color, it's all solid. And then I will use my cylinder. All right, I'm going to create a new cylinder and put it inside. Now, let's see. It was 90 by 90, so we'll go with 82. Yeah, 82, fine. 82. Center. And we want it not 100 high this time. I don't want it to be, actually, yeah, we'll just make it bigger. So it's higher than the mug. And then what we'll do is we'll rise it off the ground 5 mil. So when we move this inside here, it's going to give our mug a bottom. Okay. So let's see. Yeah. So let's try align it this way. Like that. Okay, good. Yeah. Okay, it's after moving on me, but at least I know I'm roughly right. No mugs are perfect. Okay, so we'll zoom in a little bit, see if we can bring it down just a bit. There we go. I'm going to make it smoother, like that. And it should be off the ground. And when I highlight a lot of them and group, there we go. There's a mug with a bottom and a handle and some writing there. Okay. So that's one way. You might find another way to do a mug in tinkercad, a 3D model that we can 3D print afterwards. Okay, I hope you found this helpful.